Malay, there's no basis in fact. Gawa lang yan ng isang Pedro Monteclaro in the 1930s. Katang-isip. Sila Pindo, Divindo, Equino, at saka Pedro Monteclaro, nagtulong sila para gawa yung folktales na yan. Actually, nanggaling tayo sa what? Lahat ng wika natin came from southern China through Taiwan, from Taiwan to northern Philippines, Cordillera, hanggang bumaba sa Indonesia at Malaysia, and then after that went to the whole of Oceania, hanggang sa Hawaii, hanggang Israel, and westward went to Madagascar. In other words, tayong pinanggalingan ng Malay at saka Indonesian. Mga ganyan. Kaya tayo nawawala ng tiwala. But maski ba naman si Rizal, tinatawag ng pride of the Malay race. There is no such thing as a Malay race. There is no such thing. Anthropologically speaking, there is no such thing as a Malay race. Malay is a historical cultural term. There is no such thing as a Malay race. Sino nagsabi niyan? Isang pensionado ng Amerikano, Camilo Ocias. Pride of the Malay race. Sino binibigyan ng credit? Malay pa. Isang matanang pride of the Filipino people yan. It's the pride of the Filipino people, si Rizal. No? Not pride of the Malay race. Burahin na niyo yung Malay. There is no such thing as a Malay race. We belong to the what? Austronesian group of people. Austronesians tayo. Meaning the Southern Islanders. And Austronesian languages have the widest geographic coverage in the world. The widest. At sa atin ang galing yan. No? Talagang sa atin ang galing. Yan ang latest genetic DNA research. No? Nung araw kasi walang scientific tools for tracing origins. Ngayon meron na. And it's very clear that the Indonesians and the Malaysians came from us.